Is it time to buy or sell Nano Nuclear Energy stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nano Nuclear Energy. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and comprehensive analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 21st, 2025, our system has categorized Nano Nuclear Energy as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, boasting a gain of approximately 32.82% since we initially suggested purchasing Nano Nuclear Energy just 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of around 10.94% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the most recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could head in either direction. The stock has surpassed a notably broad and robust short-term upward trend, indicating an even more significant rate of increase ahead. Should there be any retracement, support will now be found at the level of $39.42. Which could present a second opportunity for a strong upward movement. According to fan theory, $57.41 represents the next potential peak for this trend, serving as a resistance level that may not be breached on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 29.41% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 35.10% to positive 19.36%. Our latest daily update for Nano Nuclear Energy highlights significant movements in the stock price. On Thursday, the stock fluctuated 31.41% between its high and low. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, the stock price of Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. increased by 17.26%, rising from $36.45 to $42.74. This marks the 7th consecutive day of gains. It's uncommon for stocks to experience such prolonged increases, so some fluctuations or pullbacks should be anticipated. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 31.41%, with a low of $35.40 and a high of $46.52. It has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 41.34% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 18 million shares changed hands, valued at approximately $769,020,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $46.52, while the lowest was $3.25. Currently, the price is 8.12% or $3.78 below the 52-week high of $46.52, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Nano Nuclear Energy recently highlighted the acquisition of a key worldwide patent portfolio from Ultra-Safe Nuclear, significantly enhancing its intellectual property surrounding portable nuclear generators. This acquisition involves protections for several innovative microreactors, including the Zeus, Odin, Kronos, and Loki models. The implications of this development are considerable. It not only strengthens NNE's competitive position, but also positions the company to capitalize on the growing global demand for clean energy solutions. In the past week, NNE's shares surged alongside peers like Cameco and Oklo, driven by a positive report from the International Energy Agency predicting a demand surge in power generation. As energy demand in the United States is poised to reach record levels with projections of 4.1 trillion kilowatt hours for 2025, nuclear energy stands out as a vital component in meeting that need. This context bodes well for NNE in the short term, as increased investor interest often correlates with advancements in technology and positive earnings outlooks. Moreover, The recent rebranding of the newly acquired reactor platforms as Kronos and Loki indicates a strategic move to create strong market identities. This, coupled with the potential for groundbreaking developments in microreactor technology, not only enhances NNE's market appeal, but could also spur sustained stock performance in the long term, aligning well with the global shift towards sustainable energy solutions. As NNE continues to forge partnerships and innovate, it is well positioned for significant growth in a rapidly evolving energy landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned NNE a buy grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 25th of June, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NNE a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 14th of June, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NNE a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Nano Nuclear Energy stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Nano Nuclear Energy. The stock of Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $29.10 and $26.59. Should the stock dip below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by over 109%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is evident from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a favorable technical indication. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 86 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 77 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nano Nuclear Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $36.45 and $33.60. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nano Nuclear Energy Inc. finds support just below today's level at $36.45. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $33.60 and $32.18. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $11.12 between its high and low, reflecting a 31.41% change. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 18.82%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nano Nuclear Energy, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may signal inadequate profit levels and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nano Nuclear Energy. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this situation, You may want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Nano Nuclear Energy encounters its first support level at $36.45. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $41.20, reflecting a decline of 3.6%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Nano Nuclear Energy stock a good buy? Nano Nuclear Energy Incorporated holds several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may wish to maintain or accumulate their positions while waiting for further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we anticipate that Nano Nuclear Energy will open lower, down by $1.19, starting at $41.55. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.